Are you ready to trade in your busy commute and all of that noise in Los Angeles for some peace and quiet here in Oxnard? Join me as I take you on a locals-only tour of the beach and marina here in Oxnard. So we're gonna start our tour off here at Silver Strand Beach, North Jetty. For those of you who do not know, that's where the big lifeguard tower is at. This is the entrance to the harbor, southernmost entrance, public parking behind us, not paid parking like a lot of other cities. It's a great spot to bring the kids, lifeguards in the summer months. Let's go check out the rest of the tour. The first beach that you're going to see when you get out of Silver Strand is the Kiddie Beach. The Kiddie Beach has been around for a long time, and even back in the day, the Kiddie Beach used to extend all the way past the pier there. Just over time, the beach has kind of deteriorated. Also to my left, you have Hobie Beach, which also got its name from all the Hobie cat races that people used to do back in the day. It's a very safe beach for children. The only thing that you have to worry about nowadays is the abundance of sea lions that we have noticed over the past 2 years. So out of the 3 beaches here in Oxnard, Silver Strand is the southernmost beach. It's actually not part of the city of Oxnard, but it's actually unincorporated county of Ventura. You're going to see a lot more people out here owning second homes in Silver Strand than you would in Oxnard shores. One of the reasons is the county of Ventura is a lot more lenient when it comes to Airbnb and short-term rentals. So when we make our way up Victoria, you're going to come to Seaside Boatyard and Marina. They are a full-service boatyard and marina that will launch your boat for you. On top of that, they also have boat slips ranging from 30 to 60 foot, as well as 85-foot end tides. One of the big advantages of this boatyard and marina is its location to the harbor entrance. It's very close. It's maybe a 5-minute boat ride to the harbor entrance, as well as maybe a 2-minute ride to the fuel dock. So you're not wasting a whole lot of fuel getting in and out of the harbor. Located on Victoria Avenue off of Curlew, the Channel Islands launch ramp will accommodate up to 6 vessels being launched at once. Prices for a day use pass are $13, and they also have a $200 annually option as well. For more information, you can contact the Channel Islands Harbor Department. Facilities at the Channel Islands launch ramp includes is restroom, trash, as well as a wash station for your vessel. So here we are, corner of Victoria and Channel Islands Boulevard, Fisherman's Wharf. Future home of Carl's Land, which I cannot wait for. As somebody who has 2 boys, ages 1 and 3, the one thing I could tell you about the Oxnard, especially the west side of Oxnard, is there's not a whole lot of stuff to do for kids besides taking them to the beach. A lot of people think Carl's is just an amusement park, and that couldn't be further from the truth. Carl's is a very family-friendly destination that offers educational experiences to their guests through the context of a strawberry and maritime village theme. A typical Carl's is actually designed around a large central indoor market hall with restaurants, retail, and a live manufacturing show for freshly made items. Being that Oxnard is known for its agriculture and specifically strawberries, it's no wonder why the county and the city both agree that Carl's would be a great fit for this location. So up until Fisherman's Wharf, or now soon to be Carl's Land, there have been no residential whatsoever. This is your first chance to look at some of the homes and options that you have when living in the Channel Islands Harbor. So to your left, you have Old Mandalay Bay. That's start where Carl's is, the Fisherman's Wharf, and it comes all the way here to Hemlock Street. Off Hemlock, now you get into Seabridge. The main difference between the 2 communities of Seabridge and Mandalay Bay is Seabridge has an HOA in Melva-Roos. These are newer construction homes. A lot more floor plans are recognized throughout the communities of Seabridge and Westport. Where Old Mandalay Bay, you have a lot more one-ofs. You don't have an HOA, no Melva-Roos. Which one is better? I kind of like them both. It just depends on what you're looking for. So as we get into Seabridge, you're going to notice it's very user-friendly. Between the walkability of Seabridge as well as the ability to launch a kayak, go get a nice dinner at Yolanda's, or go work out at 24 Hour Fitness, it kind of has all the amenities that you would want in a harbor community, all wrapped up into one spot. In my opinion, Seabridge has the best amenities out of any community in all of Oxnard. Whether you like to walk, ride your bike, swim, work out, or even spend your day at the pool and jacuzzi, Seabridge has that covered for you. One of the downsides of living in Seabridge is your lack of parking that you have. Seabridge is pretty strict when it comes to overnight parking, and will not allow you to park in front of your house. So the majority of Seabridge was built from 2006 to about 2017. It's a mixture of 4 condominium buildings as well as single family homes on both islands. Floor plans range from anything from a 1-bedroom all the way up to 5 bedrooms with a boat dock. The downside of living in a Seabridge condominium is you do not have garages here. You all have subterranean parking, and a lot of those are 1 to 2 parking spaces maximum. So they're a great option for a secondary home condo, or if you're looking to downsize and just be by the water. So here we are at the farthest northeast corner of Seabridge, as well as the Channel Islands Harbor. This is part of the Seabridge Marina, Seabridge Shopping Center behind us. This is where you're going to go when you want to go to Coffee Bean, get your groceries at Vaughn's, or get some killer sushi at Inaba. The majority of the single family homes here in Seabridge come with your own deeded boat dock. But if you want a boat dock and your home did not come with one, there is availability. You just have to check with the local marina, so call Seabridge Marina and see what they have available for you. So whether you're a lifelong resident or someone just itching to get out here to the Oxnard Beach and Marina area, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for everything to do with the Oxnard Beach and Marina area. So here we are at the Seabridge main entrance gate. One of the cool things about Seabridge is, unlike any other complex in the entire Channel Islands Harbor, Seabridge offers 24-hour gated security. Another great thing about Seabridge is there's an access bridge that will take you from your house to all the restaurants here located in the Seabridge Shopping Center. I get asked a lot about the vacant lot here on the other side of Seabridge, located off of Woolley Road. This is actually the future home of the Seabridge K-5 elementary school, with a park built by D.R. Horton. This lot has been vacant for over 10 years, and according to the city of Oxnard, there is no plan to develop anytime soon. So as I mentioned earlier, one of the best things about living out here is the walkability. And as we leave Seabridge, we start getting into another community called Westport. Westport was built around the same time as Seabridge, and it's a mixture of single-family homes with attached boat docks, single-family homes with no boat docks, as well as condos at Whitesales and townhomes at Bayside. Just like Seabridge, Westport also has Melrose and an HOA. And if you're unfamiliar with what Melrose is, I will attach a link below to a video I did earlier about Melrose in the area and what exactly that is and what it covers. The main thing that you lose when you come to Westport and compare to Seabridge is access to all the amenities that Seabridge has. On the flip side, you do get the attached boat dock. It's a lot more private over here, and a lot of the same floor plans that you find in Seabridge you will also find here in Westport. Also, if you're looking for a condo, Whitesales is probably one of the more affordable condo complexes in comparison to Seabridge and Westport. So as we continue our tour of the Channel Islands Harbor, we get brought back to Old Mandalay Bay. And this is part of the trip where you kind of hang a left on Woolley Road and you go back down Harbor Boulevard, and the first home that you start seeing on the left is technically Old Mandalay Bay. The difference between over here and what we saw in Hemlock is a lot of these homes are attached. Where Hemlock, those are detached homes. So the price point here would be a little bit more affordable than a detached. However, the location is, in my opinion, a little bit better as well. The price point right now for something in Old Mandalay Bay is going to start around $1.4 million and go up from there. Homes on the main channel, especially corner lots with large boat docks, can range anything from $3 million, probably all the way up to $6 million. What I like about this side of the harbor is you are now on the beach side, so you're closer to the farmers market and a lot of the restaurants and all the other things that Hollywood Beach has to offer. So as we continue the tour of the Channel Islands Harbor, we actually enter Hollywood Beach. Hollywood Beach is located on the far west side of the Channel Islands Harbor, just south of the Channel Islands Harbor Bridge. So there's really no residential this side of the harbor unless you get into Hollywood Beach, and then you're going to find standalone single-family homes as well as condos and townhomes. One of the best things about Hollywood Beach is that you have a lot more restaurants and things to do than you would in Silver Strand or Oxnard Shores. So as we continue our tour of the Channel Islands Harbor, we now arrive at the Marine Emporium. The Marine Emporium, in my opinion, is probably the busiest spot year-round of the harbor. They have boats that will take you out to the islands and drop you off for a day trip, camping overnight. They also have a bunch of restaurants in here and shops. The post office is here, the gym. So this is kind of the hub of Hollywood Beach, and a spot that you're gonna be very familiar with if you live here in the harbor. Okay, so here we are, west side of the harbor, here in Hollywood Beach. We're now approaching the harbor entrance, but what I like the most about this spot here is that you can have a boat dock, your boat right here, and then own an oceanfront home 2 streets away. So you get the best of both worlds living here in Hollywood Beach. If you're thinking about making a move to the Channel Islands Harbor or any one of the beach areas, I would love to help you out. Whether you're just now in the research phase or you're ready to buy tomorrow, I'm here for you. Take advantage of all the content on my YouTube page, and there's a link below in the description if you want to book a one-on-one call with me or someone else on my team, and we can discuss a little bit more about what you're looking for and how we can get you to your goal.